the Lord. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So now I'm here with my another guitar tutorial on the song Anugraha Ko Inaar by brother Adrian Dewan. Hope you'll like it. So let's start. So this song goes with 4 chords: C major, G major, A minor and F major. So the beginning intro of the song goes this way with some finger plucking. So to play this one, you need to play C major with your pinky finger in the first string 3rd fret, this way. It's called a C over G. So you need to play this way. You need to play the strings 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3 and G major 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, A minor 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, F major 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this way you need to play it faster. I'm playing slowly now. If F major, C major, G major, A minor, so you need to play it faster this way. So this was for the intro. Now let's learn the strumming. So the strumming of the song goes this way. So to learn the strumming, you need to play down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So I'm playing it slowly. So I'm playing it a little faster now. When you strum it up and take it down, you need to mute the string this way. Down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, mute, down, up. Okay, so let's play it a little faster. Again faster. That's it for the strumming. So now let's practice with the first stanza.
Anugraha ko inaar Christ ko mandali, Anugraha ko inaar Christ ko mandali, jahaबाट उखाएर पुर्याउनु छ देशभरि.
So you saw in the strumming that I played something like this. So to play this one, you need to slide the E major from E major to F major and F major to G major. So after the first stanza comes the riff part. The riff goes this way. To learn this one, you need to play C major chord and the first string, first fret you need to play this way. Now G major, G major we need not have to play the full, we need to play the half, and A minor, and then the first string, first fret, F, F half, and C. So we need to play this faster this way. I'm playing it slowly now. And the second one goes this way. And now the F, you need to, after playing the F, you need to slide the F to G. So back to C major. So this was for the riff. Now let's play it faster once more. The rest of the song goes with these 4 chords: C, G, A minor, and F major. So now let's try to play it with the song.
the